Oh, shoot, I think I stopped and started it. Okay, so now you've gone to Google. Now I want you to type in sweet search. It should automatically fill. Comes up like that because you're still in the Google search bar. Select sweet search. Okay? It should just be sweet search, and it should default to sweet search. Where it says, see, so automatically it's a little bit difficult because it's asking you to get the widget. They're experiencing technical difficulties. Now, hit the get widget just so we can get to a search engine for students. Okay? Now, automatically, what do you think about this interface? Is it as friendly as Google's?
No. Not at all.
Not as much.
Is the font nice? Let's put in Code Talkers again and see what it comes up with. Okay, it's just spinning and spinning and spinning.
Mine says our engine seems to be encountering.
The engine is encountering errors. Okay, so now we're going to cancel on a sweet search, even though that's the New York State preferred search engine, and we'll go to Bing. Bing-a-ling. Oh, no, wait, I have a better idea. Let's go back to the home page. Well, Bing is pretty similar to Google. And now I want you to go to Students, Library Catalog. And let's open up our school district. And if you go to Catalog tab, there is a search engine over on the left. Yep. Once you hit Catalog, you go to the library website, go to William Floyd Middle School, open up the library, and there's Home and there's Catalog. You select the Catalog tab, and WebPath Express is a different search engine. Yes, sir?
Keyword, title, author, subject, and...
Okay, you didn't hit Catalog behind it? Look up at the screen. See where WebPath Express is? You're probably on the Home tab. Go to Catalog and then down to WebPath Express. And put in Code Talkers. Okay, how many results did you get?
A lot.
Not really.
You only got 2 pages, 30.
30. So instead of 270,000, WebPath Express is the 723,000. WebPath Express is what the district wants you to use. It's what we pay for. It's an educational website. Now this is going to segue into why we're teaching code. Every single one of these websites is designed by somebody. Somebody wrote the code. So everybody take your mouse up to the center of the page and right click and take a look at View Page Source. See what you get. It didn't take it? Okay, so it didn't take it. So let's go back out to Floyd homepage by using your icon. And right click again and go to View Page Source again. You don't have it? You might be hovering over a picture. Hover over text. Now somebody did all that code. That's what you were supposed to find.
Edit search engines.
Yes, you can edit search engines. These are protected. You can change anything you want. It's not going to take it because it's protected. But this is what people are talking about. What's that, John?
You can crack into it,
You can crack into it, but please don't.
but okay, I'll try.
By the way, how many 6th graders do we have here? 7th grade? 1 7th, 2 7th, and 1 8th grader. So the 8th grader wants to know how to hack into this, but you can't. This is a protected service. So let's put a question to our 8th grader. Why isn't there www in front of, oops, what does the www stand for?
I'm actually not 100% sure on that.
Ah, can anybody answer?
Website?
World Wide Web. Okay? All right. So there's intranet and then there's internet. if it has www in front of it, it's on the World Wide Web. But you'll notice when you go to our catalog, the www disappears because that's within our school district. There's the internet and there's the intranet. Okay? So you learned something today. Now, if anybody can answer this, you can get an entire pizza. I will buy you your own pizza.
Really?
I will, because you're not going to be able to answer it. I
Sure.
cheat at things, I'm pretty sure. You can't Google the answer.
I will.
What does, let me see if I can get to a good page.
Remember, my brother.
I know, this is a risk with an 8th grader in the room.
Yeah, you probably know everything.
They know a lot. Okay. For the $1 million pizza prize that Alberto cannot answer.
Hey.
Got it?
Yes,
Elijah?
that's my question.
Knew it.
What?
Give me
Wait,
a
what's
second.
the question?
What does HTTPS stand for?
Matthew Flaherty, please come to the main office.
so glad none of you know.
Josiah Taylor,
Wait,
come to
give
the
me a
main
second.
office.
Yeah, just wait till look up at the screen and it says HTTPS. Mr. Trask, you cannot answer. Jack, wait, it's up to the 8th grader. He passes. Jack,
Home to the parents?
home to the parents. Okay, so, no, Mr. Trask, no. Yes,
High-tech technology.
making this up game.
What do the PS? Yeah.
Okay, we don't know.
What?
Ah.
Home?
Yeah, okay, wrong. Wrong. You either know it or you don't, and I think the only two people in the room that know it are me and Mr. Trask. Mr. Trask, what does HTTP stand? Wait,
Hyper?
hyper. Sometimes you're hyper, or when a dog. Okay, so that means fast.
Okay, I know.
Text, like you're texting on your phone.
Technology.
Transfer?
Transfer. I'm going to transfer my text.
Pages.
Protocol?
Protocol. There's a protocol when you come to school. You have to wear shoes. And the S.
Secure?
Naomi
Secure.
Josiah, please report to the main lobby.
So it's high,
Hyper.
hyper,
That means super fast.
hyper.
Right, so the people who organize the web, this way, hello, keeping your attention, the people that organize the web said we have to come up with a protocol. What are we going to do? We're going to write in hypertext, transfer the information. Here's our protocol to do all that. Okay? And then S was added as security. Yes?
I was kind of getting a little into it, like high, like kind of high a little.
Yeah, I did tell you I'm making a video, right? Like high as in what?
I thought
You're getting
it was
hyper.
High
tech.
That's what I thought, like high tech.
Okay. So good guess. Now we are going to move over to Code Academy. Oh wait, before we do that, let's hit the home page again. When you right click and see that there is come on, right click already. Can you guys right click because it's not letting me? When you view the source, that source has Java, HTML, JavaScript allows you to see the pictures. HTML is the writing behind it. Okay, mine is stuck for some reason, but that's what we're going to be learning about today. How to write this type of code. You see where it says title?
That's crazy stuff.
Okay, all it is, just take a look at the title for a second. You guys all have it on your screen? When you're writing code, you have to have this little tiny symbol, which means the greater than, less than symbol, and you're telling it, now I want to write a title. And then you write your title and you end it. Do you see this backslash? You say the same word, only you're telling the computer, once you see a backslash, that's where I want my title to end. Okay, so we're going to go through what CSS is. You see that right here?
Yep.
That's a coding language. We're going to go through what script means. We're going to go through HTML. This is old school HTML and JavaScript. Okay, what's your question?
I actually have something. Can I show you on my phone real quick? This is really cool.
What is it?
He jailbroke his phone.
Yeah, it's something called iFile, where like all your apps have this certain type of script and.
Can I get it on here? Can I bring it up on here?
Miss Hannibal,
Yes.
I know what CSS means.
What does CSS mean?
Is
cascading style sheets. So good one, Alex. And do you know why that came up on our homepage? Hold on a sec. Yes, it was on our homepage. Because, watch, this is what cascading means. You get to flow from one page to the next. Okay, this is constantly changing. You know how some websites don't allow you that? What's your question? You could say it out loud. That's cascading style sheets. So today we're going to go to Learn to Code, codeacademy.com. Let me finish this, and then you can show me. Unless it's something I can bring up on the screen.
How many?
This is the only website that